Looking for a pool home with westerly views? Look no more. We've got the one for you. I'm Deanne Stott with Mark and Deanne Realty Group, and I am thrilled to introduce you to our newest listing in Murrieta, California. This amazing home boasts over 3,200 square feet of tastefully designed living space, which includes a downstairs secondary bedroom, full bath, formal living and dining room, a beautifully upgraded kitchen which opens to an inviting great room. Upstairs, you'll find the primary suite, 3 additional secondary bedrooms, the laundry room, and a spacious loft. So take a look around and I'll meet you out back. Welcome to your own slice of paradise. This lushly landscaped backyard affords the opportunity to enjoy this beautiful heated pool and spa, covered patio, and of course the built-in barbecue island. It's the perfect space to entertain or simply decompress while taking in the evening sunsets. Homes in this West Murrieta neighborhood do not come available often, so come quick before you miss out.